How you doing?
I'm alright, how about you?
Good. My name is Deputy Emerson with the Grand County Sheriff's Office. Where's that stopped you? You got no tags.
Yes, sir. I just bought this truck.
You did?
This is my mechanic. I went to pick him up. He stays with me sometimes. We're going back to my house in Piercy.
Okay.
I just got it. It's got a misfire. It's got issues. And
Gotcha. You got a driver's license on
yes,
you?
sir. I lost my wallet recently, so I have to carry stuff in my pockets.
You roll down this back window for me?
Here's my ID.
Any weapons in the car or anything?
No, sir.
You got insurance registration on it at all or anything?
I got the bill of sale.
Yeah, that works.
Bill of registration, yeah.
You got ID on you, man?
I don't actually. I lost my wallet. No problem.
What's your name?
Richard Stanley.
Richard Stanley? You got a date of birth?
I actually think.
Where y'all coming from?
Yeah. Say I don't know Malvern super well. I picked him up
Gotcha.
on the outskirts.
Okay. Sit tight for me.
He has 2 out of us. Failure to appear, 1,000 cash to secure, and the second is also a failure to appear for 1,000 cash to secure.
24 direct. I've got one more to run locals.
Is it?
Gonna be last of Phillips.
Sorry about not having my plates yet, man.
You're good. There's the deal.
Yes, sir.
I give 2 citations, one for driving a vehicle without tags, other for having no liability or insurance, okay?
Yes, sir.
Hang on to that. Give me just a second, okay? Mr. Stanley, step out real quick and talk to me for a second. You ain't got anything on you, it's gonna poker stick or cut me? Nothing like that? Just wanna talk to you for a second. You said Richard, right?
Sunglasses.
You said Richard?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come here for me. You're good. Put your cigarette out. Walk to the back with me. You're good. Just walk to the back with me. Put your hands up on the car. Spread your feet. You ain't got anything else gonna poke, stick, or cut me?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alright, do me a favor. Put your hands behind your back. You understand that you do have a couple of warrants out of us, right? Okay. Said you don't? You said Richard Stanley, right? 24. Could you advise what those warrants were for?
I knew I had a court date coming up, but I didn't think it was till July 21st. They were driving up the
Failure. No registration, tag expired. Sound familiar?
Thought that was set for July 21st.
July 20. Driving on suspended.
Yeah, I thought my court date was July the 21st.
24 to
It's
red.
just now
Show that
July.
suspect in custody. Walk back here with me. You're good, man. Just relax for me, okay? I'm gonna talk to your buddy real quick. Tell him kind of what's going on, alright?
So he's got my phone.
He does?
It's connected to the charger.
Okay. You want me to take it? Bring it with you?
I'd appreciate it.
Yeah, man, absolutely. I can totally do that. Here, real quick, I'm just gonna pat you down. Like I said, you ain't got nothing in your
I
pockets.
think I got some change in my pockets, no big deal.
Okay, nothing, no.
Yeah, nothing, no weapons or nothing like
I
that.
got you. What's that right there?
There's
Change. Man, I'm just making sure no knives, guns, or
I
anything.
understand.
You're good, man. Have a seat up here, man.
Oh, I
I'll
wouldn't
make
like
sure.
contraband.
No, you're good, man. I appreciate you being cooperative, okay? Like I said, man, just a couple of misdemeanor warrants. Nothing.
It just sucks on cash or carry.
I got you, man. I got you. Wrist all right for the most part? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, man. Sit tight for me. All right, man. So here's the deal. Buddy's got a couple warrants out of us, so he's gonna come with us. He's got a couple failure to appears. That's his phone right there, I assume. Is that correct?
Most likely. Said failure to appears.
Yeah, he's got some failure to appears. No, man. Driving on suspended and some other stuff like that.
All right. I've been trying to keep him out of trouble.
I'm gonna take this because he wants to bring it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there anything else of his other than this phone?
Cigarettes.
No,
It's empty. No, it's empty.
Okay. Sit tight for me, okay?
Yes, sir.
Hey. Got his phone in here.
Do what?
I said I'm gonna put his phone. That's the only thing he has. He's got in the car. He's with his buddy. He's a mechanic actually. They picked up this car. It's clean and everything. It doesn't have insurance, but it's clean, and they're taking it back to his place to work on it because it's got some issues. And I ran both of them. Driver's fine. Passenger's got a few warrants on us for BS. So he was fine. I got him out. I cuffed him. I asked him, and we talked for a second. Patted him down. Got him in the truck. I got his cell phone from him, and he asked if I could just get his cell phone, and that's pretty much it. I just
Go ahead and put him on your pass down. Send me your pass down.
Yes, sir.
Before you get out there and get jail and get busy.
Yes, sir.
And try to make sure you're out there before 6 unless you need help or something.
Yes, sir. I should be just the ADRs. Just that. That's about it. That's what I was thinking. Just
Now, if
ADRs.
they're both county, they can both go on the same ADR.
Okay.
If they're both out.
county.
If they're multiple agencies, then you got to do one per agency.
One ADR per agency.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like if you got one for the city, it's still us doing an arrest, but down there at the bottom, it's their shift, but we have to do one for their city.
Gotcha.
Yeah, but if they're both county, then it's be on one ADR.
Yes, sir. I already gave him his citation, so I'm gonna cut the driver loose. Thank you, sir. All right.
Tell me what jail he's going to.
He's going to be going to the Garland County Detention Center. It's at 3564 Albert Pike Road. And it's out there going up on 270, okay? All right, man. Hey, be safe. Get that stuff fixed for me, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. You're good to go. You can have a good night. Yes, sir. I'm making sure that's secured on you, all right? All right, man. Man, do me a favor. Tell me your last name again. Stanley? And your first name? Yeah, like you. Okay. What's your middle name?
James.
Okay. Alright, man.
Good 24.
2 citations issued to that driver. I'll be en route to the detention center with this male subject. Starting mileage 47579.
0453.
CFS comments added.
So you're helping your buddy out? You said you're a mechanic?
Yeah, I mean, I'd say shade tree, but yeah.
CFS comments added.
I'm the closest buddy of his that knows anything about it.
I got you. And I heard I heard the engine rev right as I was about to get out of the vehicle, and I thought something was fixing to. I didn't know if y'all were about to run or.
I was in fishing for.
Oh, gotcha. I figured that it might have been an accident, but. Gotcha, man. Gotcha. I got you, man. It happens. Looks like you got 2 warrants for driving on suspended, and then I guess you got a ticket for some trailer lights or something.
Both of them are the same thing. They're both driving on suspended. It's just one of them had a failure to register attached to it.
Failure to register.
And I just thought it was like this sort of 7th of July.
You like failure to register a vehicle?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant like failure to register as a sex offender or something.
Like that.
I was gonna say because I didn't see it on your thing when I pulled you up.
So it was just expired tag. I bought a vehicle in Oklahoma, and I went to jail in Oklahoma right after that.
Oh gosh, okay.
They impounded it, and the impound lot kept the title. And they won't just mail it to me.
I got you.
Even though it's signed over me and notarized and all that. Well, you gotta come back there and get it. I'm like, you don't understand. I don't have a driver's license in this moment. I can't just drive out there and type it.
Gotcha.
Check it out in the car in the first place.
Yeah. No, I got you, man. I got you.
It's just the one thing after another.
Oh man.
I really showed my license as soon in the first place. I got a letter in the mail in February that said that if I didn't go to court for a failure to appear by March 4th, that I was losing my license. Well, on March 4th, I was incarcerated in Roanoke County, standing in video court waiting for that exact thing.
I got you, man. I got you.
13, go
I really
ahead.
showed my license.
I'm back in. No report on my part.
I said, I stopped the court. I said,
That work.
I got you, man. I got you.
Unit 113 left call.
Man, we'll get you out to the jail. We'll do a little bit of paperwork. It's not gonna take very long, man. I'll just need a couple questions from you. You know, like I said, we get out to the jail, man. It's just gonna be quick and easy. Just do a couple pieces of paperwork that I need to get done, and you should be good to go. Okay. I got your phone from your buddy. It was laying on the floorboard of the vehicle. You what?
So I appreciate it.
Yeah, man. If you need phone numbers, you could ask there'll be a jail deputy out there, and they'll be doing some of your intake stuff, and if you ask them, they'll let you get some phone numbers. You can make some phone calls. Somebody come bond you out. I'm sorry?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, okay.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, man. So you got arrested in Oklahoma?
What?
So you said you got arrested in Oklahoma?
Yeah, for opening the channel.
Ah. What part of Oklahoma?
Elk City.
Okay. Yeah. I got you.
Yeah, I basically went out there to get away from all my trouble here.
What kind of trouble here?
My marriage fell apart.
Oh, man, I'm sorry.
And, yeah, it's just been kind of one thing after another since then.
I got you, man. I get that. I got you. I used to hang around the Broken Bow area, Idabel, Broken Bow.
Okay, yeah.
I used to run around there, and Salisaw, and I used to kind of run around there.
Yeah, I got a couple of buddies out that way.
Yeah. I got a little bit of family out in southern Oklahoma, so I used to run around there quite a bit. Yeah. Now, I do have to ask you, okay? Because I ask everybody, all right? Do you have anything on you, inside you, anything like that that would be illegal to take into a correctional facility?
No, I ain't got no consequence.
Okay, all right, man. I have to ask because once we cross that threshold of that door.
You asked me now that, yeah, let me get in there and eat 5 years.
No, I'm just, yeah, you know what I mean.
I know how the game goes. It's all good.
I got you. I always give everybody the benefit of the doubt and ask them ahead of time. Because once we cross the threshold of that door, that's their wheelhouse, and it's all felonies. So nothing really I can do about that one. Yeah, so. Oh, okay. I got you.
Go ahead.
I'm out of the jail. Ending mileage 47588.
0505.
CFS comments added.
Morning, sir.
Ma'am?
Okay, good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. Deputy Emerson, badge number 347. I have 1J1, no BAC.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.